How to make banana bread. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, baking soda, salt, butter, and optionally, nuts or chocolate chips for extra goodness. Step 2. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your banana bread bakes evenly and rises to perfection. Step 3. Prepare your baking pan. Prepare your baking pan by greasing it with butter or oil and lightly flouring it. This step prevents the banana bread from sticking to the pan. Step 4. Mash the ripe bananas. In a mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas using a fork. The riper, the better. Those brown spots on the peel indicate sweet and flavorful bananas. Step 5. Mix wet ingredients. Incorporate the wet ingredients. Add melted butter to the mashed bananas, followed by eggs and vanilla extract. Mix well until the ingredients are nicely combined. Step 6. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients. This includes all-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Sift the dry ingredients to ensure an even mixture. Step 7. Gradually add dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a denser banana bread. Step 8. Add nuts or chocolate chips, optional. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, fold in chopped nuts or chocolate chips. This step is optional but highly recommended for an indulgent twist. Step 9. Pour batter into the baking pan. Pour the delicious batter into your prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly to ensure uniform baking. Step 10. Bake to perfection. Place your banana bread in the preheated oven. Bake for about 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on it to avoid overbaking. Step 11. Cool and slice. Once baked, allow the banana bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice into thick, tempting pieces. Step 12. Enjoy your homemade banana bread. And there you have it, your homemade banana bread is ready to be enjoyed. Whether on its own or with a dollop of whipped cream, savor the delicious fruits of your baking labor. Thank you for joining me on this banana bread baking adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more baking inspiration, and let me know in the comments if there's another recipe you'd like me to explore.